This week's video takes me out to Hengistbury Head, where I hope to use the cloudy weather and grey skies to get some moody atmospheric photos. The photos will start in a couple of minutes, but first let's enjoy this drive through the New Forest as I head to Dorset and ultimately Hengistbury Head. The whole journey is roughly 45 minutes, and you can see from the golden ferns and the bare trees that winter has well and truly settled in the New Forest. And I've gone from Hampshire to Dorset, which means I can't be far from my destination. Hi everybody, welcome to Hengistbury Head. What a lovely drive I've just had here. This is basically a photo walk. I'm going to walk around Hengistbury Head. I will put the route on screen now as I'm talking. It's basically running along the seafront to the head itself and then heading out towards Mudderford and then coming back somewhere. I'm not sure of the exact route. This is the All Trails route, I think, that I have on screen at the moment. But I'm not sure whether I'll stick to that route because there are a couple of little things that I've seen when I've been doing a little bit of research that I might want to duck into that's off the path, but on a path, if that makes sense. It's not on the All Trails walk, but it's still accessible. So yeah, it's really windy. It's just me and my camera, no tripod, no fancy walking through gates or, B-roll of me just walking up a path. It's not what I enjoy. I'm going to just be taking photos. I'll show you some of the views I'm doing as I go. A little bit of chatter along the way. But it's all about the walk, it's all about the photography, and it's all about seeing the coast and in and around Hengistbury Head. It's very windy today. I'll try and put a clip on the screen here of sort of the bank that I parked by. You can see how windy it is, but it should be good fun. Let's go. Okay, I'm taking this moment to do a bit of videoing. Just walked up this hill behind me and it's so windy down by the sea. I've put a couple of photos up already, I think, but I've got this little bank of coastline here that's just sheltering a little bit. Still a bit of a breeze, hoping you can hear me, but it's nowhere near as bad as it was. So just going to walk up the top of there, which is up to the viewpoint, I think, and see what shots I can get from the top of that. Very annoyed because I forgot, but you can see that my capture clip for the bottom of the camera, I had to take it off for a job I was doing last week and forgot to put it back on again. So I've got to carry it by hand now, which is annoying because it's much easier to clip it onto the rucksack. But never mind. Okay, let's keep going and see what other photos we can get. So windy, so cold, my hands are freezing, and rain is in the air. But we're going to plough on and see if I can get some more photos. Let's go. Oh, it's windy. Right, so there we have the National Coast Watch Tower, I think. I'll put it on the screen. Those photos I've just taken there were of the National Coast Watch Tower, and we're just walking down this way towards the headland. Yeah, it's a bit more, oh, it's so windy, maybe now's not the best time to talk to you, so I'll try and catch you in a minute when it's got a bit of shelter. Okay, we've actually just gone down a dip, so it's a little bit calmer down here. So yeah, just a little note really about the format of these videos. It's not, I have done some videos in the past where I set up a tripod and video me walking down a path and through a gate and then go back and get the tripod and do it again, and that leads to a photo and so on, and I found myself, I wasn't enjoying my photography doing it that way, so that's why I'm not doing, sorry I'm trying to rearrange the camera, that's why I'm not doing it that way. I'm just walking around taking photos and taking you with me, so hence the term photo walk. Very windy, and if I have to be totally honest with you, not that enjoyable because of the wind. But I'm sticking at it. We'll see what photos we get. I'm showing you them as we go. Hopefully there's some couple of good ones in there, or half decent ones. Yeah, let's keep walking. Top of the headland done. I'm just walking down some steps now to the beach where you can see some beach huts that you've just seen. Still on the path, still on the All Trails route. I'm about here on it now. There's a quick snapshot if I can get it on the screen. Yeah, it's okay. Like I said earlier, it's a bit of a different walk because you know, you see other people being successful at certain things and you try and emulate them and you can't for whatever reason, and then you get kind of all tangled up in a web of well, if it doesn't work for me, nothing's going to work. But then I just sort of lost track of why I go out and take photos, and it's not because I want to, it'd be nice to get lots of YouTube followers and people sharing, looking at my work and stuff like that, but it's more for enjoyment, it's more for fun. I love looking at the photos afterwards, I love editing them and putting the videos together, so I'm going to do what I want instead of what I expect other people want, because that's what's more important, for me anyway. There was evidence. Rain on the lens, the rain is starting. I'm not prepared. So I am going to start heading back to the car because I don't want to get soaking wet today. I will come back here when there's less chance of rain, so expect to see more from Hengistbury Head. But in the meantime, I am going to head back and see what snaps I can get on the way, which is going to be on the downside of Hengistbury Head, so sort of the inland side if you like, not along the coast. Yeah, lots of opportunity here. So there we are, the end of my Hengistbury Head walk. It wasn't quite as fruitful as I was hoping, but it was windy, it's getting wet, the rain is starting to come down. It's not too bad, you can see on the front window. Oh, well, maybe you can't see, I don't know. But the rain is starting to come down, so I think I made it just in time. It's 20 to 1, lunchtime, I've got some lunch in the fridge. I've just bought a drink and a treat. That's it. Am I going to do more videos like this? Don't know. Might depend on the reaction I get to this one. If I only get a few followers, I'll just go out and take photos for myself and I won't record anything. But if people want to see this kind of thing, give it a thumbs up, let me know. Like the video, subscribe if you've not already, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you in the next video.